You talk about these three waves or these three phases where the migrations happened, and you're saying that the fourth phase, which is currently on, we'll go into the reasons why the fourth phase is happening, and you say that you can't see that those kind of people. Is it that they were so few and hence eminent, or they achieved eminence? When they came back, they were not eminent. They achieved eminence later, in the sense of they had their degrees there, then they worked out here, became eminent. So you said, okay, these were the guys who came back. The ones who came later, UNDP says that 415 million Indians have come out of multi-dimensional poverty in the past 15 years. Do you think that we could have achieved all this if people who went abroad, got educated, got their degrees, got their education, came back, set up businesses out here and pulled out people from their poverty? You don't see that happening?
Well, it could happen. But, my focus is not so much on how many jobs people who come back create. My concern is about brain drain. These people who came back even earlier, they were people of eminence. I mean, Manmohan Singh had already acquired eminence when he was a student as an Adam Smith winner. Homi Bhabha was already well known as a nuclear physicist. So there were people of distinction who came back. And I think what my concern is more about brain drain and capital flight. What we have seen in the recent past, particularly last 20, 30 years, is increasing out-migration of talented Indians, right? Working class Indians have gone out and searching for jobs for a long, long time. Of course, it's a depletion of manpower, but still, there are enough Indians back home. But when highly trained people go overseas and don't return, that creates a problem, and that is what I'm drawing attention to.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.